He is a hard worker.
He is a diligent and industrious individual.
I study every night.
I dedicate time to my studies each evening.
Traveling is fun.
Exploring new destinations is immensely enjoyable.
We should help the environment.
We must take proactive measures to protect our environment.
I want to get a job.
I am seeking employment opportunities.
There are many problems in the world.
Numerous global issues require urgent attention.
I like using the computer.
I find great utility in utilizing technology, particularly computers.
She is really talented.
She displays outstanding talent in her field.
I think this is a good idea.
I believe that this proposal is quite advantageous.
We had a great time at the party.
We thoroughly enjoyed ourselves at the gathering.